Kawasaki 750. Sparking one time, then stopping. Pulled the front cap off the flywheel. Moisture. If you look down inside the cap, it's full of water. Tabs are broke. E-box looks pretty dry. Clean. Somebody put the battery in the wrong spot. That'll cause a lot of issues. Plugs are extremely wet and old. So we're going to clean the front stator housing out, see if we get spark back. Nice. More than likely the crank seal's leaking. That's where all the oil's coming from. Doesn't really smell like gas, it smells more like water. So we're gonna clean it up. We're going to pressure wash the inside of the engine compartment hole after this is over, so I'm not worried about this gunk going down. Make sure there's no metal particles on the pickup coil. Stator looks okay. Bunch of oil and moisture on the flywheel cup. If that moisture builds up, it'll ground the flywheel cup to the stator housing. Clean it out really well, make sure to get all the metal fragments off. You can either saturate the O-ring housing or the O-ring itself. Put a layer of grease around the O-ring itself. stick. A lot of times these O-rings will run away. If it's stretched too much or swelled, it will never go back in. All right. Always make sure the Bendix spring goes back in. Put a little grease on it. Yep, put it back together, see if we get spark back. Stator housing's back on. Pulled the plug cap off. That way we got a straight wire running out. We'll see if we get spark back. Yep. So you always check the cap off, and then I put the cap back on. We'll check again. If the spark did not come back, I take the start-stop switch apart, make sure everything inside there is clean, the contacts. Secondary to that, I would take electrical box apart, check grounds. And after that would be either bad CDI or bad stator.